Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Timothy D. Shira ublong noilam jok NPP bat menteri ke Sorka Jylla ula ong ba David Ailad ki wepat ki cek penriu ki bomdai ki tra Jylla ban Ïakhun yak Elekshon jong Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council dak bakam bakadai ke bala peteng nadu kapor bala thau yak council haka jinga kran bagila patai kubor haka khatn riu trik una pra arja pesan Shira ula yaiban ba yak Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council la thau na kementa ki riulum Henry ki noilam ki kwa panyasam yak mensim jong jinga long spara but ki Jylla ki babuhai shnong harilom Ghadc.
This time also I think non-tribal will be allowed because it has been continuing since time immemorial, since the inception of the Ghadc Autonomous District. I tell you the reason why it is so. Nobody knows now. The people who were born yesterday will not know what happened, 10 years back, before they were born. Say, Ghadc District Council or any district councils were given to the tribal. Just after, say, 1947, we got our independence. And we struggled together, irrespective of caste and creed. All Indians struggled together to achieve independence. And the brotherly spirit of brotherhood were there, running high in those days. So, when the district council, autonomous district council is created for Ghadc Hills, our leaders, who struggled together with non-tribal, they said, let us share together. That is the spirit, and it is still continuing. Now, because we got the control, we don't need this non-tribal. We don't like to see. Of course, nowadays, if we think about it in the present context, non-tribal has no right to vote because it is given for the tribal only. That everybody feels. But in that time, this brotherly spirit was running high, and our leaders, Ghadc leaders, they want to share equally with the non-tribal who are residing in the Ghadc Hills. That's why even this on minority basis, even the Nepalis are nominated to be NDC. What is called Mon Bahadur Chetri, he was also nominated, and Akraman Zaman was also nominated. So now the feeling up to younger generations is different. But for us, who saw what happened in the past and how much it was difficult struggle for the independence, and together we work to achieve this independence. But a man is born yesterday, how he will feel this one. That's why these people are against. They never thought, they cannot even imagine also what was the spirit of justice. Now I am not saying that the non-tribal should be given the opportunity to vote. But I also feel that since it is an autonomous district council given for the tribal only, so tribal should have the right and non-tribal has no any say on that. But saying about those, this is a spirit which was prevailing among the people, who struggled together to achieve the independence. That is the reason only why it is allowing to continue to do so.